Hey, and we're back. And now we have a problem about ratio tables. Hopefully, you're getting familiar. So let's look what we've got for accommodations. Let's see. Oh, we have a tutorial, and the tutorial is really about this one is like how do you use how do you fill in these, right? How do you fill in the table? And then the notepad again, scratch paper, whiteboard. Want you to be doing the SBA or really any test with using some kind of way to remember your thinking. Remember, your head is for thinking, and your paper is for writing down that thinking. And also, we have a calculator. And remember, the calculator can be kind of big. We can move it around, right? So that if you don't need to cover up the problem with that. Sometimes the calculators can be really large and we just kind of have to have them go. So for right now, those are our calculators. Okay. So let's read this question. Raymond wants to know the cost of buying different types of songs for his MP3 player. Oh, MP3, dude, kind of old. The cost of, can't believe he's not on a smartphone. The cost of each song is the same. Let S represent the possible number of songs, right? So S is for songs Raymond could buy, and D, the amount of money or dollars Raymond would need to buy the songs. So S, number of songs, D, dollars or amount of money. Okay, so we've got that. So we're figuring out how much it is for each one of them. So we've got here, we actually have the number of songs is missing, but we do have the amount of money. And here we have the number of songs, but we don't have the amount of money. I'm thinking for this one, how might you solve it? You could either, if you're working in class, turn and talk to a friend. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to figure it out. Okay, for me, I feel like I wanna go for a unit rate, right? Because 'Cause that'll just make it so much simpler for me to figure all this stuff out. Okay, so oh, here comes our calculator, right? So I don't even have to, um, worry about my operations, but I am gonna write down my answers, because I actually made a couple of videos and I made some errors because I wasn't writing down my answers, and I had to redo them. Okay, so we are gonna take the amount of money, $2.58, and we're gonna divide that by 2 songs. Divide by 2, and we'll figure out how much it is for each song. It's $1.29 for each song. I am writing that down on my paper or whiteboard, right? And I might label it per song. Okay. And so then I can figure out, right, either by dividing or multiplying, which one of the things. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to cheat here a little bit, right? And I'm going to figure out, because we know what the unit rate is, right? So to find out the amount of money, I'm going to use the stuff that I know already. So I'm going to clear all, right? And we know that it's $1.29. So $1.29, okay, multiplied by 7, because we're going to figure this one out first. I was being kind of tricky there. Oh, it's $9.03. So for this one, we can put in $9.03. Okay. All right. So I'll give you a second to figure out the rest of them. So, oh, we could do, right, like, watch this. Okay, we can save ourselves some time and we can make it 11. 11. Ooh, look at that. We got that one. We've got $14.19. 14.19. Okay, so the other ones we're going to have to divide. Okay, so we're going to clear all, right? So we will take $5.16. We'll divide it by $1.29, because we want to see how many groups of $1.29 there are in $5.16. So 5.16. Oh wait, whoops. 5.16 divided by, right? How much do we have? $1.29, right? Equals 4. So the answer to this one is 4. 4, okay. And here, okay, we're going to, I'm just going to be lazy so I don't have to type that. We're going to divide $21. Ooh, does anybody have a guess what this might be? $21.93. 17. Okay. So 17. And that's how we do that one. More on it later. Bye.